What if I told you that the key to unlocking your team's full potential isn't in another training seminar or sales book, but it's hidden right there in your call recordings? The problem is, who has the time to listen to them all? What if you could instantly pull out the exact moments that matter most, the pricing objections, the winning talk tracks, the coaching opportunities, and do it for every single call? Let's be honest, we've all been there. A stack of call recordings, sticky notes everywhere, trying to remember what a prospect named Karen said about pricing objections in call number 47. You're missing critical coaching opportunities because you can't possibly review every single call. Feedback is inconsistent across the team, and you're spending your weekends just trying to catch up on analysis. It's a never-ending cycle, and it's holding your team back. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to analyze 100% of your sales calls automatically, spot coaching moments instantly, identify what your top performers do differently, and turn every single call into a learning opportunity for your team. The first step is what I call the quick capture. This is all about automatically getting every single call recorded and transcribed. Forget about reviewing 20% of your calls. With AI, you can get 100% call coverage. And here's the best part. It all happens in minutes. Tools like Insight 7 can transcribe your calls in real time and immediately start analyzing patterns. What used to take one of our clients 3 days now happens in under 10 minutes. Here's a pro tip. Set up an automatic call import so you never miss analyzing a single conversation. Once your calls are in, the AI gets to work. But it's not just transcribing. It's looking for what I call the performance signals. These are the 5 key metrics that matter most. Talk-to-listen ratio. Your top performers let prospects talk around 60% of the time. The AI measures this instantly. Question quality score. Not all questions are created equal. The AI can tell the difference between a high-quality discovery question and a low-impact leading question. Objection handling effectiveness. Track how well your reps handle common objections like pricing, timing, or authority concerns. Sentiment shifts. Watch the customer's emotions change throughout the call. This is pure gold for coaching. Next steps clarity. Did your rep secure a clear next action? The AI tracks this automatically. Platforms like Insight 7 break down every call into these exact categories, giving you a performance scorecard for each rep instantly. Now you have the data. The next step is to turn these insights into action with the coach's playbook. First, do a weekly team review. This is where you spot trending issues across your entire team. For example, if the data shows that 60% of your team struggles with closing, that's a training opportunity for everyone, not just an individual coaching problem. Second, use the data for individual coaching sessions. Instead of saying, be better at discovery, now you can say, in your Tuesday call with Johnson Corp, you asked 3 great discovery questions, but missed asking about their implementation timeline. Let's practice that. Finally, use it for success replication. Identify what your top performer does differently and teach it to everyone. The final step is to create a continuous improvement loop. This means setting up automated alerts for coaching moments, creating team benchmarks and goals, and consistently tracking improvement over time. It's all about creating a system that learns and grows with your team. So, here's what I want you to do in the next 24 hours. First, audit your current process. How many calls are you actually analyzing? Probably less than 20%, right? Second, pick your pilot group. Start small with 3 to 5 reps and about 20 of their recent calls. Third, choose your tool. Whether it's Insight 7 or another platform, stop wasting time on manual call analysis. To help you get started, you can try out the platform for free at insight7.io. Just go to the link in the description, upload a few of your calls, and see the insights you've been missing. Honestly, the most important thing is that you stop wasting time on manual call analysis starting today. Remember this, your calls are happening anyway. The question is whether you're learning from them or letting valuable insights slip away. Drop a comment below with your biggest sales call analysis challenge. I'd love to hear it. And if you want more sales efficiency hacks like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Next week, I'm showing you how to use AI for email follow-up sequences that actually get a response. Thanks for watching.